Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily save bank statement on Capitec app. So all you have to do is head over to Capitec app, then just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from the home page, just look for savings account and click on it. Then once you're in your savings account page, just look for this three dot icon and click on it. And from the list of options, just select email statement. So from the email statement page, all you have to do is just select the date range of the bank statement that you want to view and also input the email address in which you want the bank statement to be sent. Then once done, just click on send. And from there, the bank statement that you requested will be sent to your email. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!